Next problem we are going to discuss is a body of mass 2 kg is thrown up with a speed of 10 meter per second. Find the kinetic energy of the ball at the time of throwing. Also find the potential energy of the ball at the highest point. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So what is the a body of mass 2 kg? What they have given?
Mass is equal to 2 kg. It's thrown up in the speed of.
Mass equal to 2 kg.
It's thrown up in the speed of.
Is thrown up with a speed of how much?
10 meter per second.
Okay, then next what we need to find it out?
Kinetic energy of the ball at the time it's throwing. Also find the potential energy of the ball.
Okay,
at the highest.
speed of 10 meter per second. What is meter per second is belongs to which unit? Velocity. Okay, correct? Correct or not? Correct or not, Paul?
Correct, sir.
So find the kinetic energy of the ball. They are telling that find the kinetic energy of the ball at the time of throwing. What is the formula for kinetic energy?
E by K is equals to 1 by 2
1 by 2 mv square. M belongs to mass. V belongs to velocity. So like this type of questions they will be asked twist. In the twist manner only they will ask. So that only they are saying that speed of 10 meter per second. So by this itself you need to remember meter per second. If meter per second square means what?
velocity of the.
Meter per second square means acceleration.
Okay, sir.
Then next 1 by 2. M is how much?
Mass is
2.
equals to 2 kg.
V is 10 square. 2 cancel. 10 square is how much? 10 square is how much? 100. Unit is what? Joule. The next, find the kinetic energy of the ball at the time of throwing. We have found out that one, kinetic energy. They are asking that also find the potential energy of the ball at the highest point. So what?
The kinetic energy and the potential energy.
Yeah, potential energy. How we need to find it out? When the ball reaches to the highest point, when the ball reaches to the highest point, the kinetic energy would be converted into the kinetic energy would be converted into potential energy. Okay,
Okay, sir.
potential energy. So next one, next question. A body of mass m and velocity v has kinetic energy what? 200 joule.
Find
Find the kinetic energy.
so
Give
find
the
new kinetic.
sorry.
Find the new kinetic.
Find the new kinetic energy of the mass of the object becomes double and the velocity still remains the same. That is what the thing means. A body of mass m and velocity v has kinetic energy 200 joule. But first we need to find it out. What is kinetic energy? We need to find it out. Then after that we need to find it out with the new kinetic energy with object plus double. So K equal to what? 1 by 2 mv square.
Okay, sir.
Mass is how much?
Mass 200 joules. Sir.
Kinetic energy they have given. So mass kinetic energy equal to what is the formula? 1 by 2 mv square. So 1 by 2 equal kinetic energy equal to how much? 1 by 2 mv square equal to how much? Kinetic energy formula is 1 by 2 mv square. So what is the value they have given? They have given the value of kinetic energy equal to 200 joule. What is the formula for kinetic energy?
K
1 by 2
M
mv square. 1 by 2 mv square. So now find the new kinetic energy they are saying. New kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 into
200.
object means mass of the object becomes double. Mass of the object becomes double means how much will come?
200 joule will be double actually.
Mass means mass of the object becomes double and velocity still remains the same. So you please identify.
200 joule is the velocity.
Mass of the object becomes double means double 2. Double means what is the meaning? 2. 2m into v square is what?
200 joule, sir.
Not 200 joule. Okay. Okay. Now 1 by 2 mv square equal to how much will come?
1 by
2 into 1 by 2 mv square. Like this we can write. 2m into v square. So 2 into 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 mv square. Okay. 2 as it is you need to have. 1 by 2 mv square. 2 into 1 by 2 mv square value is what?
200 joules.
Okay. 400
Joule.
joule. That is the answer. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Again, one more time I will repeat it. A body of mass m and velocity v has kinetic energy 200 joule. So kinetic energy formula is what?
1 by 2 mv square.
Okay. So 1 by 2 mv square equal to what is the kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 mv square equal to what the value they have mentioned? 200 joule. So 200 joule. Now are you clear? Any doubt is there means you can ask me.
Second formula, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. First thing I am asking whether any doubt is there or not. No. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Find the new kinetic energy of the mass of the object becomes double. New kinetic energy equal to mass of the object becomes double means mass double. So double means what is the meaning double? 2. So 2. Mass. So m. For that purpose only I have mentioned m. But what they said, velocity still remains the same. So velocity still remains the same. Okay. Now this 2 I have put separately. 1 by 2 mv square separately I have mentioned. 1 by 2 mv square is what? Kinetic energy.
200 joules.
So 2 into 200 joule equal to how much?
400 joules.
400
Joules.
joules. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Once more you please tell me.
Kinetic energy, they have given the kinetic energy, sir.
Okay.
We want to find the double of the mass, sir. For that we want to use the kinetic energy 1 by 2 into, they told double no, sir. So that we want to use 2m, sir. For mass 2
Okay.
into velocity.
Now next problem, you read out the next problem.
An electric heater of 1000 watt is used for the 2 hours it's a day. What is the cost of using it for a month? For of 28 days. Sir, it's
28 days? Question mark? Question mark?
if 1 unit cost it's rupees 3.
An electric heater of 1000 watt. So power equal to what? 1000
Watts.
watt. Used for 2 hours in a day. So time per day is how much?
2 hours.
Time per day equal to
2 hours.
2 hours. What is the cost of using it for a month of 28 days? So total time how much? Total time is how much they have mentioned?
4 into
2
8
into
2 into
how many days? 28 days. So how much it will come per day? 2 hours. For 28 days how many hours it will come?
56
56
hours.
hours. Are you able to get it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt means at the time itself you please ask me.
Yes.
Okay. Then next, if 1 unit cost is rupees, 3 rupees, correct. So energy equal to what? Work. Energy means power into time.
Okay, sir.
So power, that is time, is how much?
56 hours.
Power equal to 1
Power.
into time is 56. 56,
Hours.
not 56 hours, 56 kilowatt hour, because work unit is kWh, kilowatt
Watch.
hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now 1 kilowatt hour consists of how much? 1 unit. 1 kilowatt hour consists of rupees 3.
Okay, sir.
So for 56 kilowatt hour consists of how much? Into 3, 18, 168 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
168 rupees. So that's all about this. For 56 kilowatt hour, how much it consists? The next one. Next question you read out.
An object with 100 Newton weight is raised to a height of 15 meter. Find the potential energy possessed by the object at the height. Also find the new potential energy if the same object is raised off of its original height. So, if the same object is raised 3 times of its original height.
Okay. Now, an object with 100 Newton weights is raised to a height of 15 meter. So, force equal to how much? 100 Newton. Okay. Force equal to
100 Newton.
height is how much? Height is how much? 15 meter.
Okay.
Force, what is the unit of, what is the formula for force?
Force.
In the Newton second law, force equal to ma. A means
Mass.
acceleration due to gravity. Mg also we can write it. So F equal to mg into
M.
mg equal to how much? 100
Newton.
Newton. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Now find the potential energy. Potential energy P equal to what?
Potential energy.
mgh. mg is what? 100. H is what? 15. 15 into 100? 1500. What is the unit?
Kilowatt hours.
Energy unit means what?
MGS.
Yeah, energy is joule. The next one. First question. If the
Same object is raised off
same
of
object is raised half
its original height.
of its original height, how much it will come? Potential energy equal to
Potential energy is
potential energy equal to
1500 joules.
mg into h. Correct?
Okay.
mg is mg into height. Height is how much? Half only, right?
Okay.
mg equal to what? 100. mg is half. 15 by 2. So 100 into 7.5 equal to 750 joule.
7.50 joules.
7.5 into 100. So 750 joule will come answer.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Second question. What they are asking?
If
Potential
the
energy equal to mg into 3 times of its height.
into 3
mg is what? 100. Height is how much?
3
15.
times of 15.
4500 joule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, 3 times of height. 3 times of its original height. Original height this is. So height. 3 times. So 3 times. Height is how much? 15. So 3 into 15, 45. 45 into 100?
4500.
500. That's all.